In today's rapidly evolving electrical landscape, safety and efficiency have become more crucial than ever. As infrastructure expands and energy demands increase, modern electrical installations need cutting-edge solutions for fault detection and monitoring. Traditional methods of inspecting earth resistance are often time-consuming and reactive, leaving installations vulnerable to unexpected ground faults. This can lead to costly outages and maintenance challenges, highlighting the need for more advanced monitoring systems. R-FERM, the Remote Fault Time Earth Resistance Monitor from Manav Energy. This innovative technology is transforming electrical safety management by providing real-time, continuous monitoring, ensuring that ground faults are detected as they happen. R-FERM offers instant alerts and advanced fault analysis, seamlessly integrating with existing systems. It plays a pivotal role in modern electrical installations by enabling proactive maintenance and reducing the risk of outages, offering 24/7 protection and peace of mind. Whether for critical infrastructure or renewable energy systems, R-FERM helps maintain operational efficiency and reliability in today's high-demand electrical world. It's your partner in safeguarding the future of electrical installations. Discover more at manavenergy.com.